Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be explaining about bench molding and floor molding. We already know about molding process. So there are many types of molding processes. So bench molding and floor molding is one of them. So let's now discuss first about the bench molding. So what is bench molding? When we do the molding process on the bench surface or the table surface using very small flask, that is called bench molding. So bench molding is the process of preparing molds on a workbench or table. So we are doing the mold on the surface of bench or table. So it is only done for small sized casting. So when the casting is small size casting, that is done on the bench or on the table surface. So it is suitable for small and light casting. So it is very much suitable for very small and light casting. It is done on bench or table height. So the surface height is the table height. So it is very much easier to do the casting process for the working person. Needs small flask, cope and drag. That is cope and drag. We are in single words we are telling this flask. So there is need very small type of flask. So there is easy handling and better control. Because of the small flask is used, also the casting is small sized casting. So it is very easy to handle and to control the casting process. So in this figure we can see that the bench molding process. So total molding process is done on the surface of the bench or on the work table. So what are the advantages of bench molding? First one is better accuracy and finish. It is only we are getting the better accuracy and finish. We are only getting this because of the very small size of casting. Less fatigue for workers. So very small size casting is done here. That's why the weight of the casting, also the weight of the flask is very less. That's why the workers gets less tired. Next, the faster production for small parts. So very small parts are casting. We are doing casting in this process. So that's why in a flask, in a molding box, it is possible to do too many casting in one single flask. That's why faster production is possible of the small products. So there is limitations. Limitations are not suitable for large or heavy casting. We are doing this process on the workbench or on the table. The surface area of the table or the bench is less or limited. So that's why in limited area, the large or the heavy casting is not possible to do. Limited mold size. Also the mold size is limited. So let's now see about the floor molding. So the previous topic was bench molding. This is floor molding. So this molding process is done on the floor, directly on the ground. So this is called floor molding. So we are using the floor area or floor surface to do the molding process. So in this case, the casting product will be large or heavier in weight. That's why we are using floor. So floor molding is the process of making molds directly on the foundry floor for large castings. So here we are doing the large casting. So it is used for large and heavy castings. Clear? The mold is prepared on the ground or floor. That's why it is called floor molding. Next, the large flasks are used for sometimes or flasks are not used. So when we are doing the floor molding, large flasks are used or sometimes the flasks are not used. So we are doing this process using molding box, large molding box, or we are at all not using any kind of molding box. In this process requires more space and labor. The molding box is large Also the product is high, that's why we need more space we need, because of the casting is very large in section. Also the labor will be more, because of the casting is very heavy. In this figure we can see this is the molding box. This molding box is too large. This molding box is too large. When the molding box is larger in size, it will be difficult to handle it, so more labor will required. So in a floor we are doing, that is the, let now suppose this is the floor and the molding box will be like this, or we don't use molding box at all. We don't use molding box, so we place the molding sand on the floor and made one desirable height. This will be the height, and on the molding sand we prepare the mold cavity and we pour the metal and get the desired product. So what are the advantages of floor molding? So it is suitable for very large components, no size restriction like bench molding. In bench molding the size of the casting was limited, but here we can see the size, there is no limitation of the size of the product and can handle heavy patterns. So there is some limitations also. More labor intensive, we need more labor, lower accuracy compared to bench molding. The product is very heavy in weight, also the section is large, that's why the accuracy is less, requires more floor space. So the casting is very large in section, that's why the floor space required more. So in this video I have discussed about the bench molding and about the floor molding. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.